to well, little tap to the back. Corey Aaron does get banged. Upside down. Last third in. Aaron marking down the straightaway. Corey gone on the straightaway. Nobody there. Melnick and Rick second, third. There's Dustin. Oh, you got it. Corey Scales has checked out. Second place, just crossing down. That's Rick Spear, second place. Third, John, Luke, Jason, Dustin, Robin, Aaron. This is wide open. We've got talent from beginning to end and charging in the States and being a little aggressive. 40 at 95. There's only one below 10. Park, take him off. Thank you. Courtney, Rick, John, Dustin, Rob, Jason, Aaron is the order. Leader crossing now, Rick Spear, about to get flat by the leader. Rick's got lots of room, he's just got to keep it clean. Third place, John Marcos. John, Dustin, Rob, Jason in the pack. John turns out, Dustin will tap, look at that. And that puts Eric back in the fight. So now we got Rob Delson chasing John for third place. Rick Spear on the straight, all by himself, got about a third of the track lead over John. 3:45 to go, long way to go, take a breath, rattle out the cobwebs. Meanwhile, Corey Scales has checked out. 38.605 is his pace. Courtney, Rick, John, Rob, Aaron, Jason, Dustin is the order. Rick coming out to put a lap on Dustin. Rick driving a race of his recent career. Rob does drive the reel in John. They are only a 4.5 apart. John on the straight, Rob on the straight. Behind Rob is Aaron. Jason trying to chase down Aaron. 2 minutes and 50 to go. 2:50 to go. Everybody a few car lengths apart, but fighting for position. Rick Spear holding his own in second place. Third is John Marcos, who just went in front of the driver's stand, so Rick's got straightaway 2 turns. 2:25 to go. We'll see where the dog goes. We got Aaron coming up on Rob for position. That's 4th and 5th. Oh, Rob will tap. Aaron goes up into 4th. See if he can catch John. John is going up the straight. 2:05 to go. 2:05. Well, Courtney Scales is pretty much gone. Second place, Rick Spear coming on the straight. Third is John, just in front of the driver's stand. 1:45. And it looks like here comes Aaron on to John, reeling him in. Flip and half every turn. On the straight, John, Aaron, Rob. Jason falling back a little bit. So here it comes. We got John and Aaron. Oh, and Aaron traction rolls. Does will get through. Helps Aaron back on the wheels. Jason Martin gets through. John, Rob, Jason, Aaron. 1:10 on the clock. Take a drive, Rick. All right, put that on the straightaway. Rob, Jason, Aaron. Their little tangle has left John 3 turns ahead. John can bring us home for third place. No mistakes in the last minute, drivers. Keep it clean. Rick, the leader on you. Nicely done. Careful. And we got Rob, Jason, Aaron battling 4, 5, and 6 in front of the driver's stand. And they're reeling in John big time. 30 seconds to go. Looks like John's starting to go a little bit soft. Most definitely, John has lost some pace on the straight. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Corey, that's a battle in front of you. You want to let him go or just do it clean? 10 seconds. Who's going to get through? Has anybody got anything left for John? Can you bring it home? 5 seconds. John taps his toast. Does keep going. Rick keep going. Everybody else is across or done. Rob Doe's the only one to finish. Sneaks it out on the last lap. That's a race, guys. Well done. 30 scales of 37.601. Rick Spear pulls in second place, 35.604. Rob Doe pulls in 35.611. And then we got Jason and John, 34.6 flats. Aaron and Dustin. Nice race, guys.